now. But ang minomonitor namin ngayon, yung magiging anniversary ng CPP in December 26. Now, if you have a working knowledge about how that happens, actually, ang industrial labor and students are being invited to attend the plenum. Ginapasaka na. For the industrial labor, it is tour of duty. But for students, in school or out of school, tawag yan immersion. So, December will be a critical date for them to invite all of these people. May mga babae gyapon. As a matter of fact, yan ang nangyari kay Hannah Sesista in Cebu, the lawyer that passed the exam but then did not really sign the role of lawyers for the Philippines. Sumali sa NPA, gustong maging partido, too late the hero, kay nandun sa Bilar, Bohol naman. Okay? So, after December, hindi pa natapos yan. There are 3 months. By March, it will be the anniversary of the CPP naman. Towards going sa bakasyon na yung March. So, another set of students will be coming up. Another set of industrial workers will be going up. Another set of women. Depende kung kabataan, middle, at saka tigulang. Saka ka sila. And what is the effect? It is really to show that they are still a force to reckon with because of that attendance. But the cycle continues because, again, if we go back to CPP, NPA, NDF, it is a people's protracted war. So, yan pa rin yun. Okay? Thank you.